喺啱啱過去嘅 BC 日長週末假期，滿地寶及高桂林舉辦咗第二屆 Celebrate BC 慶祝活動，現場提供娛樂表演、美食專區及兒童樂園，數以千計參加者盡興而歸。今年嘅 Celebrate BC 活動分別喺上星期六喺滿地寶 Rocky Point 公園，以及琴日喺高桂林市中心公園分2日舉行。喺高桂林嘅活動場次安排咗多個吹氣城堡及攤位遊戲，俾小朋友盡情玩樂。同時舉辦咗多場音樂同舞蹈表演，亦都設有藝術市集，俾訪客體會原住民文化。有參與活動嘅市民話：喺今次嘅活動認識咗一啲新朋友，當中有人係專程從本國其他地方前嚟參加。
We've got kids, there's pet owners, you've got older people, everyone just kind of coming together to enjoy the season. I've been really enjoying the food. You've got Japanese, Korean. I've been, seeing those twisty potatoes, lots of local stuff. It's really just been a very buoyant experience for the spirit, just wandering in here. I've made a lot of friends from other parts of the country in my time. Most of them have some really nice things to say as visitors, the nature, the culture, the environment. It's just not something you can get in other parts of Canada.
I mean, I'm a sucker for mountains. I don't think there's many places in this world where the downtown is just right up against mountains. And I have to say, in terms of transit, you could just hop on a bus and there's some place to hike. It's all here as far as I'm concerned. I used to live in an area where it's completely flat, so I still gawk like a tourist when I see the mountains.
有參展單位嘅代表話 ，BC 省一向係蘊含多元文化嘅地方，因此希望藉住 BC 日向省民介紹東南亞文化同美食。
Our goal of our association is to just spread awareness about Southeast Asian culture and show our diversity. Our goal in our events and our meetups is to just have fun. That's the most part. But my favorite part of all of it is that everybody here gets to show and spread our love. One of my mom's friends, she brought this kaya toast. It's a very special food from our culture, for Bruneian and Malaysian culture. It's made of coconut sugar and kaya from the plant. It's an amazing food.
此外，現場有多部美食車進駐，提供多國佳肴。唔少民眾喺人工湖旁邊享用美食，享受輕鬆一刻。中僑互助會係活動嘅其中一個主辦單位，行政總裁周潘坤寧琴日喺現場親自推介佢最喜愛，亦都最能夠代表 BC 省嘅美食。
Right behind me is the salmon burger. It's amazingly delicious, and we have prepared over 2,500 salmon burgers, and it is very nice with all the top chef serving this burger. So it is a good way to celebrate BC in a beautiful day in Coquitlam.
Omni 電視台係呢項活動嘅傳媒合作伙伴之一。